Good morning. So yesterday and day 4, we're in here in Florida and we got a lot of snow. I'm gonna flip it around for you so I can keep talking. As you can see, we got snow on the ground still this morning, but yesterday the roads were closed and we had a lot of calls come in, so we're playing catch up today. I'm not sure what I'm getting into, but it's gonna be a busy day. So let's see if I can't strap you to my chest and get some filming done today and see what we run into. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. But just enjoy this the snow right now. They have a whole bunch of these, and all of them's working fine, but this fan is not kicking on in heat mode. I just tried a few things in the thermostat that I know of, and I called Samsung waiting for them to call back. But we're gonna see if what I did actually fixes it. If not, we're gonna wait for a phone call and probably just have to go on to the next one. But what we're having the issue is the outside unit's kicking on and the fan's not kicking on. But you do it in auto mode, everything works, but the heat won't run for some reason outside. Cool mode, everything works. So there's a programming issue somewhere. It's not letting the fan run in heat mode. And kicked on, but outside hasn't heated up yet. It still feels cold. We got 76 temp coming out, so let's see if the outside will kick on and give us some heat. Just waiting for these lines to get hot by touch. Run a little bit. Working. This one's not working. This one's working. This one's nice and cold. We got ice all over. We still got snow on the ground out here. This one's got icicles on it, but it's fine. It's still working. Definitely working. This one's not working though. I don't know which unit goes to which. So we'll have to go turn them all on and make sure everything is working. This is the wine cooler. So there's only going to be one in there that's not working at the moment. That one's working. This one's probably the master bedroom. I think this is the one that it was freezing out. Yeah, this one might be it, but it's working. I'm gonna see if I can get that one kicked on. Out here working in the snow. Alright, we are headed to the next one. The next one, I guess we were there before. Tech, we had a bad contactor in the heat kit, maybe some wiring issues, some stuff going on.
Left onto US Highway 98 West.
And so they're sending me back now to make sure everything's running fine for them. They got no heat in this cold weather, so I'm gonna go through all the things and see what we can figure out. This is a zone system from the notes that I've read, similar to one of the low voltage shorts that I found and we have to put in a wireless transmitter and receiver in that house, and it's a similar neighborhood. So I'm hoping we don't have a similar issue with the wiring. But we're on our way there now. Let's see what we can do. Number 2. Alright, so on this call here, I got here, electrician's already here, his tools are already up there. So I just turned it on inside, and it's running off emergency heat only right now. And I don't know why. We were just here while we didn't address the issue and actually get it working for him like we should have. So I'm gonna go check pressures, so on and so forth, and see what the issue is. So we got a disconnected board, so nothing's calling. So I don't know what is going on here. Let's see if we got any, I'm gonna check here, see if we got a short, or if it's just the board. You know what, I just plugged it in. We're just gonna see what happens. Just gonna wing it. Get everything set up here so I can read. So I can read the pressures. Oh, come on. System came on. Zero all of them out. Pressure here. Ooh, and it shut off. Sounds like we might have a bad TXV. Okay. Just let it do its thing. Definitely shooting down. Definitely shooting down. See what the high side pressure looks like. High side pressure kind of looks a little low. See what it ramps up to when it kicks back on again. Yeah, it definitely looks low in refrigerant. Okay. Go get a jug of refrigerant. Alright, so we are running. I just checked inside. I did a leak check on that coil. I couldn't find it. It might not be a very big coil. They've never had any issues with refrigerant before. So we were running. Let me see. I'll leave my phone in there. Oh, I got it right here. See why we're not running now. Maybe it's satisfied. Let me go back inside. Alright, so it was satisfied. That's all. I'm just gonna double check now. I think we're good. It was just satisfied. All right, so everybody is doing a good job today, I guess. That was my second one. We're trying to run and gun, just get it all knocked out and get everybody taken care of today. And if we need to revisit, we revisit. So everybody is like on their third call. I just finished that second one. They're looking to see if they can move any from tomorrow over. I guess we're moving a lot faster than they thought we were. So we're trying to get it knocked out and get all these customers taken care of. Heck yeah, I think we're doing good as a team today. But anyways, that last one, there's a UV light on the top of the coil, and I think it's causing damage to the wiring. And we've been here 2 times for low voltage wiring shorts and stuff. So I told them next time we come, we need to put that UV light in the return, and then we need to perform a thorough evaluation and leak search on that unit. I did a basic one today. I didn't do a thorough one. By thorough, I just mean I'll turn the fans off, I'll build pressure on each side, and other stuff just to see if I can see if there's a small leak. But there's not a big leak, I can tell you that. So, but they're heating now and they're happy. And on to the next. All right, well, that was today's thing of calls, I guess. They didn't have any more for me. So I am about to be doing my other side job, which I do after work. It's really gross, so I'm not going to show you guys, but I got this started. They're boiling. But the team did a good job, pulled together. Everybody knocked out a lot of calls today. And yeah, I think we did a good job. And we got some more to revisit, and we got some more to start again tomorrow. So I'm happy to not be on call tonight, because I'm still under the weather, but I got things to do too. So we still got snow on the ground. We still got snow, a little igloo thing that we built. This is my backyard, by the way. Still got snow. Like always, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.